burns in this holy flame. I am the void, the endless decay. Welcome to hell, now prepare to pray. I built this kingdom from ruins and bone. On a throne of your nightmares, I sit here alone. Your hope is a currency, spent and abused. Your virtue or weakness, delightfully used. I'm the reflection you see in the blade, the architect of the mess that you've made. Fragile soul behind. Let the darkness set you free. Drown inside my ecstasy. God and I am his name. Ecstasy burns in this holy flame. I am the void and mystic decay. Welcome to hell, now prepare to burn. Your soul is mine.